Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and if you're a fan of the giant double chocolate chunk cookies from the Costco food court, then this is the recipe for you. These cookies are soft, chewy, and packed with melty chocolate. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any delicious recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of softened butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 1 bag of chocolate chunks. In a medium mixing bowl, whisk or sift together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Then set aside. In a stand mixer or a mixing bowl, beat the softened butter with the white and brown sugars until it's light and fluffy. Mix in the eggs one at a time, and then add the vanilla and mix until combined. Add the flour mixture to the butter mixture and mix until all of the flour has been incorporated, scraping the sides of the bowl as necessary. Gently stir in the chocolate chunks or use a dough hook if using a stand mixer. Refrigerate the dough for 45 to 60 minutes. Use a large 1/4 cup cookie scoop to measure the cookie dough and place on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Bake at 375 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. When the edges begin to brown, remove them from the oven and allow the cookies to rest for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool. I hope you love these giant chocolate chunk cookies as much as I do. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new recipes, and I'll see you next time.